of spring onion.
Now the shoelace.
Now it's the next step.
Nice and tight.
Very tight.
And how do you call the money bag in your language? It's called
ถุงเงินถุงทอง
tong tong.
ถุงทองอ๋อถุงเงินหยวน
Right, money bags.
Okay,
Okay,
good.
good.
Chang's authentic
Yo,
money bags
hold
are
up.
delicious.
What the fuck?
Money bags.
Okay. ถุงเงินถุงทอง
Tong tong.
Very tight.
And how do you call the money bag in your language? It's called
ถุงเงินถุงทอง
tong tong.
ถุงทองอ๋อถุงเงินหยวน
Nah,
money
yo,
bags.
he
Okay,
definitely,
good.
Chang's
yo, though he definitely just cursed him out. Like, hold on, there's no way because
Very tight.
And how do you call the money bag in your language? It's called
ถุงเงินถุงทอง
tong tong.
ถุงทองอ๋อถุงเงินหยวน
Right, money bags.
Okay.
yeah, he definitely told him the name of it.
ถุงทองอ๋อถุงเงินหยวน
Right, money bags.
Yo, he definitely told him the name of the the thing the first time, but that whole second part was probably just him telling Gordon like, "I think you a bitch" or something. And Gordon's over here like, "Oh, nice, great, that's awesome, great, like, awesome, that's beautiful." And this motherfucker just over here and just called him a bitch ass.
Or language. It's called
ถุงเงินถุงทอง
tong tong.
ถุงทองอ๋อถุงเงิน
He was like, "You a
Right, money
bitch
bags.
ass."
Okay, good.
Yo.
Chang's authentic money bags are delicious.
Yo, he definitely dead ass. Yo, like there's no way. Watch, listen.
Tong tong.
ถุงทองอ๋อถุงเงินหยวน
Right,
He
money
was
bags.
like, go fuck yourself. And then fucking Gordon's dumbass, bro. Listen to the. All right.
ถุงทองอ๋อถุงเงินหยวน
Right, money bags.
Right. Dude, this is straight. Yo, bro said, "You a bitch." And Gordon said, "Yo, this is so fucking stupid, dude." Oh my god, man.